Welcome back to Fossil Linux Journal, ladies and gentlemen. Choosing a Linux distribution is not just a technical decision. It often reflects a user's personality and preferences. Each distro has its own strength, weakness, and peculiarities that attract certain types of users. Here we take a detailed look at some of the most popular Linux distributions and what they may say about their users. Ready? Let's get started. If you use Ubuntu, you're likely someone who appreciates a reliable and user-friendly environment. Ubuntu is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for Linux beginners. You value a large community and strong support from software and hardware manufacturers. Additionally, you probably keep an eye on stability without wanting to miss out on the latest software updates. You appreciate a well-documented and widely used distro, which makes accessing resources and support easier for you. Before we continue, an important note. Here you'll find regular Fossil Linux content. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe to the channel for free, give the video a thumbs up for the algorithm, and with the bell activated, you'll among the first to be notified when there's new content. You see, it's worth it. Let's move on with the distro for pragmatists. Linux Mint users are often pragmatic, looking for an operating system that just works. Mint is known for its reliability and familiar interface, which closely resembles Windows. You prefer an environment that's ready to use without much configuration and appreciate the integration of multimedia codecs and proprietary drivers. Comfort and efficiency are your top priorities. Moreover, you value a system that is suitable for both beginners and advanced users, offering a pleasant balance between stability and modernity. If you use Debian, you're probably a purist who places great value on stability and free software. Debian users appreciate the strict adherence to the open source philosophy and the ability to run an extremely stable and secure system. You're willing to forego the latest features and have a system that just works and rarely crashes. Patience and certain technical affinity characterize you. You're likely someone who values the control and freedom that a completely free operating system offers, and you're not afraid of the challenge of compiling software from source by yourself, if necessary. Arch Linux users are individualists who want full control over the system. Keep it simple, stupid. KISS is Arch's motto, and you appreciate the flexibility and customizability that this distro offers. You're not afraid to read manuals, wiki, and use command lines to tailor your system to your exact specifications. For you, the journey is the destination, and you love configuring every detail of your operating system yourself. You're probably a tech enthusiast who enjoys experimenting and always seek the optimal configuration to get the most out of your hardware. Manjaro users are adventurers who want to enjoy the benefits of Arch Linux but with more user-friendly approach. You appreciate the latest software packages and want a system that is responsive and looks good. At the same time, you value a stable base and strong community support. You're experimental but also appreciate the convenience of Manjaro provides through its user-friendly installers and graphical tools. You're someone who likes to try out new technologies but still expects a certain level of security and stability in your daily operating system. Fedora users are often innovators who like to try out the latest technology. Fedora is known for its rapid adaptation of new software and features. You're probably a developer or tech enthusiast who values a modern, secure, and free operating system. You're willing to sacrifice stability occasionally to access the latest innovations. Additionally, you appreciate the close connection to Red Hat and the ability to benefit from their developments and security updates. You're someone who always wants to stay on the cutting edge and isn't afraid to test the latest versions of software and system components. Slackware users are traditionalists who prefer a straightforward and minimalist approach to Linux. You place great value on a system that doesn't include unnecessary extras and allows you the freedom to shape it according to your own ideas. You're technically skilled and appreciate the simplicity and transparency that Slackware offers. For you, less is often more, and you prefer a system that gives you full control without burdening you with superfluous graphical interfaces and automatic processes. You're like someone who focuses on the core functions of an operating system and values a lean, efficient environment. Gentle users are perfectionists who want to optimize every detail on the system. You appreciate the ability to compile software from source and extract maximum performance from your hardware. You're not afraid of complexity and enjoy the challenge of creating a customized operating system. You're patient, detail-oriented, and tech-savvy. Gentoo offers you the freedom to configure and customize every package according to your needs, making it the perfect choice for users who don't compromise on performance and functionality. MX Linux users are pragmatists who seek balance between user-friendliness and performance. You value a stable, reliable Debian stable base and the useful tools and customizations that MX Linux offers. You want a system that is ready to use out of the box but still offers enough flexibility to adapt it to your needs. Efficiency and practicality are crucial for you. MX Linux provides you with a user-friendly interface and a variety of tools that facilitates daily use and allow you to manage your system quickly and easy. Zorin OS users place great value on aesthetic and user-friendliness. You want a Linux system that not only works well but also looks very good. The familiarity of Windows-like interface makes the transition easy and you appreciate the polished and modern look. You're probably a visual type who values a pleasant and productive user environment. Zorin OS offers you an environment that feels immediately familiar and is simultaneously modern and appealing, making it the ideal choice for users who value both functionality as well as design. If you use OpenSUSE, you're likely a versatile power user who values both stability and the latest features. OpenSUSE offers Leap, a stable enterprise-ready version, and Tumbleweed, a rolling release model with the latest software. Do you appreciate powerful tools like Yast, which make system configuration straightforward and comprehensive? As a user, you benefit from a strong community and professional support through the connection with SUSE Linux Enterprise, giving you access to extensive documentation and up-to-date security updates. Your choice of Linux distribution says a lot about your personality and technical preferences. For me, it's great if you found the distro that suits you no matter which one it is. This also applies to those who don't use Linux yet and are still on Windows or Mac OS. If it works well for you, then that's fantastic. The important thing is to be happy and satisfied with your choice without feeling the need to convert everyone else to your preference. Working together achieves more than getting bogged down in small distro or OS skirmishes. Whether you're an all-rounder, pragmatist, purist, individualist, adventurer, innovator, traditionalist, perfectionist, practitioner, or aesthete, there is a Linux distro that perfectly suits you. Each of these distributions offers unique advantages and appeal to different user profiles. Which distro do you use and what does it say about you? Share it in the comments and let us know which aspects are most important to you when choosing your perfect Linux distribution. Before I go, in the end card I'll highlight two more exciting videos for you to check out in the meantime. One covers Linux distros for daily work and the other shows how I customize GNOME or Cinnamon to my liking. Feel free to watch. Thank you for the kind attention, ladies and gentlemen. Special thanks to all my subscribers, especially to my donors. See you soon. Peace.